She's a big tipper. Watch me spend it. Okay, y'all. So with today's tip money, I decided to head over to Winn-Dixie because I needed a few groceries in the house. If y'all haven't paid attention, I do so much grocery shopping for me and my 4 children. It's getting to the point where I'm like sick and tired of food. Every time somebody say, what you gonna eat, what you gonna cook, what you gonna eat, I be like, I don't want no darn food. I don't want to cook no darn food. If I didn't have my kids, well, maybe if I didn't have my kids, I wouldn't be tired of shopping anyway. But yes, I'm so sick of grocery shopping. I'm so sick of eating. I better put those 2 back because you know what? I can get a full pack for $7.99, and those 2 would have been $8. I'm tripping. Y'all see how I'm tripping? See, my mind don't even be right in the grocery store. I'm getting sick of grocery shopping. It is getting on my nerve. Y'all tell me, how many times do y'all go to the store to grocery shop? Oh, my kids love this little yogurt. That's a new kind. I'm gonna get that. See, little stuff excite me, but I'm sick of going to the grocery store. I'm sick of eating. I'm sick of food. I'm sick of meat. I think I'm gonna go vegetarian because I'm really getting sick of eating meat. As y'all see, I didn't pick up no meat. I said I'm just gonna get some fish and we're gonna have snacks and fruit for the next 2 days because that's how long this gonna last. Just 2 ugly stinking days. But yeah, I'm sick of food. I'm sick of cooking. But y'all know, in the next day or 2, I'll be making me some meatloaf or some beef stew or some cabbage and shrimp or something because, you know, I got to do what I got to do. I got to do it. But for tonight, I'm just going to go home, eat me some fruit, a cucumber, anything, something. I don't want no meat. I'm getting sick of food. How often do y'all go to the grocery store buying it up? And how many kids y'all have? Y'all know I have 4 kids. Anyway, this food came up to $54. Y'all, if y'all like these videos, let me know. Bye.